Second one here is ancestral worship was demonized. We honored our ancestors, so we gave them things like food. I need sidifite or I need burufano, because they are also a part of us. So most of the things I name it is very symbolic. So it is a symbolic way of making us to remember our ancestors, the way they lived their life, the way they carried themselves, the foundations that they led or they had, that we are supposed to build on those foundations. Because it's just like a family that has generational wealth, which many European families thrive on generational wealth. So those things that their fathers, their grandfathers left for us, the next generation would be, initiated into that process. And from there, they would also continue to build systems that will sustain them. So our ancestors, we venerated them, we remembered them by, offering them food, by offering them kola nuts, by igofo, and also pouring libation to them, because we also want to remember them. Ana go for na name, and when they are calling the names of our ancestors, that's what the ancestor, they are also calling them Ana Ohana for their praise name. And by doing those things, we are also remembering the things that they did, the how they conquered, or the how honest they were. So it is a way of keeping their memories alive. Now, while Christianity came and encouraged us or demonized our ancestral veneration or ancestral spirituality, which inadvertently made us to reject and not identify with our ancestors,